reason yako ya kukosa this semi automatic twin tab washing machine gani? Na hapa Atenza tunakuletea from as low as 35,500. Come ni show the control from Hisense brand 13.5 kgs. Hii knob ndo unatumia when you're washing it. So hapa ndo drum mali unaosha your clothes hapa ndani. Hii hapa ni drain selector. After washing your clothes, you just drain the water using this knob. Uko umeselect. When you're done cleaning, you transfer your clothes from this drum to here for spinning and air drying. Hapa ndio unaweka your time yenye unataka uspin your clothes or to air dry, unaweka according to the specification you want. Hii hapa unapata hapa Atenza. To get this product, visit our website at www.atenzahomeappliances.co.ke ama ukuje to our physical shop. We're located at the former Nakumatt lifestyle or the current Naivas lifestyle.